We live and we lie and we fall and we fly.
Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the first video I'm filming in my new room. So if you've watched my previous videos, then you will know that me and my friends are renting a house for second year at uni, and today I'm going to show you how I've decorated my room. So this is what you see when you first walk into my room. So this is my desk area. We have my lovely pens over here. We've got my scrapbook, my art journal, my laptop, and a small fraction of my journals. This unit also has two drawers that I keep pretty much any stationery items that I have inside, and it also has like a locked cupboard thing on the other side where I've just basically got papers in there, just like scrap pieces of paper and that kind of thing. I've got this cupboard unit thing. I've put this little heart ornament thing that my sister got me on the handles, just because I want it in my room but I don't really have anywhere else to put it. I think this is really cool because this comes out and this is where I hang my coats and my jackets. I'm not sure if that's what it's meant for. I feel like it's meant for dresses, but it works for my coats as well. Then this section is also one of my favourites. I feel like I'm literally going to just repeat myself throughout this video saying this is my favourite, this is my favourite, this is my favourite, but I really do like this part of my room. I've got some of my makeup here, I've got some hair products, some skin products, my Polaroid, my Note to Self book by Connor Franta. I've got this mirror that came with the room. It was originally on the wall behind my bed, but I wanted to put my tapestry up there and I put this round here. I've also got my Polaroids hanging up on the wall. Over here we have my wardrobe and a mirror. The mirror came with the room again, so did the wardrobe, but basically I've got two mirrors in the room. They were already here. I haven't just filled my room up with mirrors because I'm vain. But yeah, in here I have all my clothes. There's no point in me opening it because you can't see it. I've also got my belts and stuff, and I've got my shoes at the bottom as well as some bags. So I've also managed to get some pretty cool windows. There's plenty of lighting coming in through here. Actually, because it's backlit, I'm probably quite dark at the moment, but it makes my room really bright because of how big the windows are. To be fair, this is probably my least favourite part of the room in terms of how I've decorated it, because I really haven't decorated it yet. So I guess the last thing I have to show you is my bed. I've got this lovely pink throw on it. I've got my cushions and my stuffy toys because yeah, they're so cute and I honestly love them so much. And then as you can see behind me, I've got this tapestry. It truly is one of my favourite things. I feel like it really makes it a lot more cozy and, I don't know, a bit more me than just having a plain wall. Yeah, this is the first bedside table. It's a lot darker than the other one. I didn't realise until now that they are kind of the opposite, but I kind of like that about them. This is my other bedside table. As you can see, I've got my little lamp, I've got giraffe, I've got cactus, I've got a candle, and I've got a unicorn. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed having a look at my room. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite thing about my room. I'm really interested in finding out. Personally, it's either my tapestry or the Polaroids on my wall over there. If you did enjoy, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully very soon. Bye!
We live